our 15th anniversary. And what a challenge it has been and what an achievement this is now for us. I'm so proud to share with you all of that Fiji Fashion Week has done over the past 15 years, and it seems like such a long time now. We were the first to run a globally recognized virtual show at the peak of the pandemic, when the Fashion Channel on YouTube put out our show to millions of fashionistas all over the world, giving our designers the much needed exposure they need, showing the beauty of this country that we call home, and attracting $200,000 worth of orders for our local designers. We took designers to Australian Fashion Week and to Los Angeles Fashion Week, helped to launch the careers of many of Fiji's most successful designers, advocated for designer education and training, and created a lot of opportunities for designers, models, show production people, events, photographers, and other creatives in our industry. But most importantly, we have put on the best fashion shows in the Pacific year after year, and this is the 15th year, and you can expect nothing less. To be rightly known as the Pacific's premier fashion event. And 2022 will be absolutely no exception. You've seen the lineup advertised, and it is a fantastic lineup, such a great mix of designers, including the best of our established labels, emerging talent, two exceptional Maori designers, our headline global renowned designer Akira Isagawa from Australia, and he will open the show on Saturday night, and our very own Lysias Levetruagu will close the show. Akira is a very good friend of mine and a mentor and friend to Lysiasa, who has now graduated from the Fashion Design Studio in Sydney with a Bachelor of Fashion and Design, one of the very first ever Ito-K students to do so. That there is Akira, and I'm so sure that many of you will be very familiar with him. So Lysiasa graduated this year in February, and he was very lucky to be mentored by Akira and Nicholas Huxley, a prolific Australian fashion educator. The best news, though, is that Lysiasa is now employed by Zimmermann. And most of you will know, or a lot of you in the fashion industry will know, what a global name that Australian fashion brand has become. 52 shops in 15 countries, and our own little Lysiasa is now part of that successful story. His story is a really great example of the type of support that Fiji Fashion Week provides. Fundraising over $17,000 over 3 years in Sydney to put this guy into school, and it was worth every single cent. I welcomed him to my house as Bulwale, and he stayed with us. He had never been to Sydney before, but he settled in very quickly, and I can tell you the whole street where I lived in Sydney in Vaucluse took to him like a duck to water. It was amazing. He is now working for the biggest house and has been asked to actually apply for the postgraduate program, which is a real absolute success story for us. It's this type of commitment that sets Fiji Fashion Week apart from any other show. And this is what keeps our sponsors very loyal to our event. We go beyond simply presenting a runway show. We help to create livelihoods and opportunities for designers to succeed, and that is